Yes, when I say my booty, Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nafisa and I'm owner of NafsCrafts Boutique. Today, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video from one of my vendors. So, most people lately, what I've been seeing is everybody trying to sell vendors lists through all these platforms. But what I'm trying to do with my channel is give everything for free. This is a learning process for me. It's going to be a learning process for you. At the moment, I sell on the Poshmark platform. And I'm working towards making my own website. And I want something nice and done properly. So I'm researching different sources to make websites, as far as having someone make it for me do it myself, what platform I'm going to use. Am I going to use Wix? Am I going to use Shopify? So that's a little bit about me. Now, let's get into this unboxing. Today, we have some sets, I believe. Yes, they're from Leggings Mania. I found this vendor on the fashiongo.com. Now, fashiongo has a bunch of vendors that mostly come out of between LA and New York. Majority are out of LA. And you can buy off their platform as long as you have your own business license, EIN, vendors, sales tax forms. You have to have all of your business in order before you order from them. I am going to order from some vendors that are not on the Poshmark. Not Poshmark, on the fashiongo platform. I'm going to try Orange Shine, which also needs an EIN. I'm going to try some other ones. I might even promote some vendors that I've bought from through platforms like Facebook and Instagram. And if you are a vendor and you would like for me to show your stuff on my platform and critique it and review it and sell it, then you can find me at NafsCrafts@gmail.com. Easily email me at NafsCrafts@gmail.com. Again, let's get into this unboxing. I had to come back with better lighting, y'all. It's my bad. Leggings Mania. Their shipping was pretty fast. I got it within a week. I bought these leggings because I really thought that they were just so cute. It's a whole set. So it's a crop top like bra and leggings and the jacket. Right now, I have them up on the Poshmark platform. All already available for sale. The colors I purchased were yellow, and blue. Ooh, this is such a nice blue. Let's see. So what I'm pulling out now, I'm going to pull out my size because I'm going to try it on for you guys. I would like to apologize ahead of time for the unintentional ASMR. So you guys can see what it looks like. The plastic. And I can also test out the quality. And always, anything that I purchase is obviously something that I like and that I will want to wear. So obviously I'm going to try it on because I'm keeping it. So you don't have to worry about me. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so the top has padding. Ooh, they match my nails. Ew. Top has padding, good quality, good stretch. It is the honeycomb print. And we know with that honeycomb, boo, they say it make your booty pop. So we gonna see for ourselves. So this is my top that I'm Gonna try on for you guys. These must be the tops. This feels a little heavier. I'm gonna take it that this is also my size. That this is the jacket. Oh no, this is the leggings. Ooh, that's nice. Because it was heavy, it was gonna be the, see, little scrunchy booty. Nice for the ankles. I'm definitely gonna try the blue on. Ooh. Ooh, that's gonna have your booty looking nice. They come with tags with the colors. Let's see. Let's see what happened. I'll fix it. So it looks, what happened is when it was in the factory and they had sold it. So I'm gonna have to check all of them. Either way, it was an easy fix. It's nothing to cut a little piece. Because I would want you ladies feeling right. Okay, so there's a high waistband. I'm gonna insert the stock photos, and then I'm gonna insert me wearing it, so you get the model look and real life look. Ooh, these got some weight to it. Ooh, I can't wait. And last but not least, oh no, this is heavier. Ooh. This must be obviously the jacket because it has the zipper. I might try it on, do a little modeling right now in the video. Okay, so, oh, this blue is so nice. Oh yeah, nothing has a smell, thank God, because there's always something. I've watched previous videos with other people and they're always talking about how something might have a smell, but I never had that problem with fashiongo, and this is not the first thing or the last thing that I've used from them. I have a few other stuff that I've purchased. I don't know why my nails was not letting me do that. I had to twist my finger around. That was weird. Okay. Oh, I love this. On a jacket, the side tags, instead of the tags that go right behind your neck. Ugh, I hate that. So we have a hood. Everything comes with a tag. Stretch. Good stretch. Because you know how, like, sometimes your arms might be a little bit, you know, on the thick side. Okay. Not doing too bad. So this is my first time purchasing from Leggings Mania. But the brand, it seems like, is called LA 12th Street. That you know is from LA, I guess. Okay. I like the quality of the zipper. Y'all can see it is thick. Has a nice pull tag. Regular activewear that I'm probably gonna be wearing to the supermarket, into the grocery store, and places like that. So let me get my try on together and I'll be right back. It's zipped up and zipped down. Hood on. Hood down. Yes. Killing it. Killing them. Also, the padding for this is literally just to cover up your nipples. So, don't expect no real coverage. But that's not really the point of these types of tops, is it? But one thing is holding these girls down. Yes, when I say my booty, from the side, ooh, from the back, I don't never have cuppage in anything I wear. And I can feel it lifting up my butt. And my butt is, I've quarantined. Did some working out. You know, little thing. Some things changed around. And that working out was non-existent. So I gained all of this back. But I know I got a little square back. But, and look at the cuppage, though. Oh, I'm about to do my little cute jogging. I'm back. I just want to let y'all know again. Thank you for a little 10 minutes, 15 minutes with me. Soon there'll be some more unboxing videos coming soon. I have another order from a vendor called Capella, and I'll be doing a unboxing and trying on video for that. Instead of like this video only has one outfit, the Capella video I believe is gonna have 2 or 3. So look out for that one. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you, and catch y'all on the flip side.